Meaning of housewarming.
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 Housewarming. Housewarming refers to a party or gathering held by someone who has recently moved into a new home. It's typically an informal event where guests are invited to bring small gifts, such as houseplants or kitchen gadgets, to help the new homeowners settle in. The purpose of a housewarming is to welcome the owners and introduce them to their new community. It's also a chance for the homeowners to show off their new space and share their excitement with friends and family. Overall, a housewarming is a fun and celebratory way to mark the start of a new chapter in one's life.